Hello guys, welcome to yet another new session of my channel, that is Rituja Ki Pathshala, myself Rituja Nirvan. So guys, in the previous lecture we have seen the combination of the aggregate function and the clauses, and before that lecture we have seen the one by one what is aggregate function, usage and all, and clauses as well. Now in the today's lecture we are going to see the alias name, as I have used multiple times the alias name that by the using as keyword. But what is alias name, how we can use it in the different way, you should know it in each and every thing in the detail. That's why we are going to see in today's lecture what is alias name, how we are going to see in the different scenario, use it in different scenarios as well. Okay, now first of all we will have a quick view to glance towards the theoretical portion of the regarding the alias name. That is, SQL alias name are used to give a temporary name to a column or a table. Whatever name we are giving to the column or the table, it is a temporary name for that time being only, for that query only. Okay, it is used to give the temporary name. After that, alias make more effective to read, because we can read it very easily. Okay, as we can give the alias name by the as keyword at something smaller name. Okay, just like customer as C. So C is much more easier to read as compared to customers in that way. And the third point is, an alias is only applicable for the time being for that query. It means that whenever you are selecting the particular query and you are using the alias name, that by using the as keyword, it is only used for that particular query for that particular span of time. Okay, after the session ends, after that it is not used. Okay, or in the other database that that name will be used, it is not like that. It is for the time being for that query only. Now the fourth point is, an alias is created by the as keyword. As you all know that when we are using the as keyword, that means we are using the alias name. Okay, now what are the different types of in what different ways we can use the alias name, we are going to see it one by one. Okay, now let's say I am having one of the table from my into my database, that is toys details. Okay, first of all you need to see the original table, what is it. Okay, now execute. Okay, wait. So see, this is my toys details table having the few columns and few records inside it. Okay, whose toy ID is 54 in everywhere. Okay, fine. Now like I need to give the toy details is very beginning. I need to give the alias name as like TD. This is my alias name. So if I am selecting this query, so see, my table is fetched in that way. Means I can use the toy details table instead of using the toy details name, I can use a TD table. Okay. Now if I want to like select count of toy ID, count of toy underscore ID. If I need to count of toy underscore ID from my table name is TD now. So is it working? Okay, it is not working. Toy underscore ID. Yes. Okay. Let's see is it working or not if you are giving in this way. Wait. So see, invalid object name TD. What I want to tell you guys, कि whenever we are inside that query, only for that timing we can give the alias name to it, and only for that time only the alias name will be used. It can't be used for the other time of span or other duration. Okay, for that timing only it is used. Now here let's say I want to count the toy ID, toy underscore ID, and here I am giving the alias name as. Now I want to give the alias name as count of toy ID. If I need to give the name in this way, toy ID. If so see, my heading is like it is having the spaces in between. Okay, now and it is not having any kind of underscore or special character in between. It is clearly having the spaces in between. In this if in this kind of scenarios, that if you want to give the name in this way, so there you can use a square bracket and from the table name, that is toy details. Okay, so see, as soon as you are writing the toy details table name, it has removed the red line because it has identified that from this table this column is fetched and you need to run the query of count aggregate function. Okay, Now if you want to give the alias name in this way by giving the spaces in between, you can give the simply square bracket to that particular name and just hit the execute button. So see, count of toy ID is 8. Now again another way, if you are like let's go to the original table. Okay, if you want to like count count the city. Okay, now if you want to count the city and select count city. Okay, as number of cities, I want to write number of cities. So see, in the upper query we have given the square bracket. Now if you can also give another option of double inverted commas to the alias name, and from my table name is toy details. Okay, and semicolon. So see, I am just hitting the execute button. So see, we are getting number of cities. So there are two options. You can give the square bracket as well if there are spaces in between your heading of the header of the column, or you can give the inverted commas as well. That is single or double, you can give any. If you are giving single inverted commas, then also it is working. Let me show you that. But it is like mentioned, highlighted in the red column, red color. Okay, and if you are giving double inverted commas, it is in black color normally. Okay, this is the thing. Then again you can change the table name as TD. Okay, now if you want to do like select, let's go to the original table first. Now if you want to select T dot toy underscore ID, if you want to like change the column name, so T underscore ID from table name as T. As soon as you have given the alias name, the red line is removed, so as T, and select this piece of code and hit the execute button. So see, you are getting the toy ID, all the toy ID from the toy details table, and you have given the alias name as T here. Means you can change the column name as well as from in this way. Okay, now okay, this is the all about the alias name. You can give the alias name in different ways. Now guys, this is all about in today's lecture. Guys, if you are having any kind of issue while following this lecture, please write down into the comment section. I will definitely help you out. If you are facing any kind of issue in any of the videos of my which is posted inside my channel, so please write down into the comment section. I will definitely look into it and I will help you out, guys. Now if you want any kind of improvement into my lecture, like if I am like you felt that this thing should be improved in little good manner or in little best manner, I can do that in the very another or different way. So please write down into your suggestions into the comment section. I will definitely look into it, guys, and I will definitely try to improve myself because your inputs are very much more valuable for me, guys. So thank you so much, guys, for your very precious time, and have a nice day ahead.